Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm here to answer the question, now that you have some distance from it, are you satisfied with how the paper represents your research, your learning, and your thinking about your topic? Why or why not? I really do believe that my argumentative essay represents my own personal ideas on the subject of trophy hunting. I put myself into a lot of the essay. I used myself as an example because I'm a hunter and I have experience with trophy hunting and I have some knowledge within that subject. I also have many friends who have the same kind of thing. They have knowledge about it, and some of them even are trophy hunters. So I do believe I put my own kind of spin on everything and made it my own, and I didn't really stray from the topic at hand, my topic at hand. Also, the other question would be, which course goal or goals did you knock out of the park by writing this paper? And I really believe that I did a few really good ones. I believe that I draft with a clear purpose in mind. After creating a very detailed outline and having a lot of time to think through what I could write about, I was able to come to a set decision on what my paper would be on. Each draft I created, I then focused on certain things like grammar, sentence placement, or APA format, and improved the paper each time. So I really think I met the goal for this expository writing class within that section. I also believe I wrote with a really strong authority and voice. Throughout the essay, I stuck with my points and disproved those that thought differently. Sometimes it may have been a little too strong with my points and made it seem like my way was the only way, but for the most part, I think I did well with this.